Please come here. Please come here, the next Gen Z as we call them, huh? Okay. Alright. Congratulations, Haance. On taking forward the legacy 3, 2, 1. Presenting to you the all new, the brand new, the premium Haance. अगर सबके फोन के फ्लैश ऑन हो पाए एक बार everyone saw the Diljit concert and in that vibe can we please have your phone flash on please everybody. Wow, what a beautiful moment for Haance. Everyone, can I request you to all stand up please? If I have to request you all to stand up. Everybody, can we all take a beautiful, can we capture this beautiful moment?
Ask Matt to say a few words of the launch and give blessing to everyone, for the brand, to Umang, to the family.
Hello everybody. First of all, I can say I'm very grateful to God to choose me to be the partner for Mr. Abel Mongalji and to be a part of this great Haance family. And definitely, I can only say one thing. This was a dream seen by